Are you ready to start investing and growing your wealth? Now that you've started to manage your finances by following the money management system, it's time to use the investing pot, which is 15% of your monthly income, to grow your wealth. Try and make it 15 if you can. I mean, the investing pot is really important because it's the only way to turn your monthly income into wealth. Other people are spending it, you're growing it. What a difference. Now, perhaps you've already tried investing with an unsatisfactory outcome. Maybe you've researched or taken free courses but still feel confused. But not anymore, because I am here to guide you. Now, before that, let's dive deeper into why it's so important to invest. There are 5 main ways to build wealth, right? Career, business, property, internet marketing, and trading and investing. Now, there's a reason why we prefer trading and investing, because we believe it's the best way to grow your wealth. You need less money compared to opening a business, and also you can do it from anywhere. Now, even though investing seems difficult, you don't need to worry because I'm here to simplify it for you. Let's begin with the basics. What's the difference between trading and investing? Well, trading involves buying and selling assets really quickly, within hours, days, or weeks. Investing is a more long-term approach, measured in months or years. Both are powerful if you know what you're doing. Now, the right strategy for you depends on your goals and available time. Focusing heavily on high-risk, short-term investments, which most people start out, that's what they tend to do, can risk your long-term security. If you are a career professional or a business owner, both with limited time, a medium to long-term approach might be the best. It certainly worked for me, I tell you, big time. All I do now is use strategies for just 20 minutes a day, max, and done. It's that simple. Now, you must be wondering, what are these strategies? Well, before that, let's debunk some common myths which may be stopping you from starting investing. Myth number 1, investing is too risky. Well, everything in life has risks, even as simple as crossing the road. But if you know what you're doing, you can mitigate the risks. Again, education. Let me tell you what is risky. Doing nothing. Not investing is risky. Let me explain. Not investing means leaving your money to deplete in your bank account at what, 3%, 4%? But if you know what you're doing, then you can choose to grow your money by double or even triple by investing in the right stocks and cryptos. So let me ask you, instead of 3 or 4% in the bank, if there was a way to achieve 20%, 30%, 40%, even 80% a year, would you invest? So to summarize, don't be afraid of risks. Yes, it is risky, but only for those who don't know what they're doing. People who don't have the right strategy in place. So when it comes to investing, avoiding all risk can be equally dangerous because of factors like inflation. Finding a balance that aligns with your goals and comfort level is crucial. Therefore, even though investing can be risky if you don't know what you're doing, with the right strategies, you can avoid some of those risks. All right, myth number 2. Investing is only for the rich. Really? Investing isn't just for the Wall Street professionals. Anyone can participate. As you gain experience and market confidence, you can comfortably allocate more funds. So now you don't have to rely on those investing institutions. But you still feel scared, right? Maybe you don't want to invest yourself because you're scared of actually being in control of your own finances. But let me ask you, do you really want to rely on banks or professionals to grow your hard-earned money? It's your money. What if I told you that you can grow your money more than these professionals? Let me explain. When the professionals sign a contract to grow your money, there are certain things that the contract does not allow them to do. For example, making money when markets go down, for example. There's 5. But if you invest yourself, you can do whatever you want. They can't. You can sell. They can't. You can stay in cash. They can't. You can invest in anything you want. They can't. So please don't be scared of taking control of your hard-earned money. Myth number 3. Savings accounts keep your money safe. Oh, no. While cash might seem safe, low-yield savings account can't keep up with inflation. It's not just luxury, but everyday goods like food, household products whose prices are rising every year. So investing in assets with higher returns help counteract inflation. Otherwise, you're just losing money. Myth number 4. You need a lot of time. You don't need a lot of time to invest. Use the money management calculator to determine a realistic starting point. Even £2,000 can work. For cryptos, even less. And let the strategies, let the market do the work for you. Now, as a busy professional, I dedicate around 20 minutes a day, actually probably less, sometimes only every other day, to manage my investments. Now, I do need to tell you this. It is so important to avoid scams. This is so important. Investment scams are increasingly common. Our goal is to provide a safe platform and a supportive community to help aspiring investors like you reach financial independence. How? By you taking control. We don't invest for you. We teach you the proven strategies to invest your money yourself. Now that we have debunked the investing myths, I hope you feel a little bit more confident with I can do it. Because yes, you can do it. Just don't start alone. This is because you want to follow the right strategy. Now, to find the right strategy for you, everyone's different, book a free 30-minute investment strategy session. There'll be a link here, so make sure you take advantage of that with one of our expert consultants. They're going to really support you. It's not a sale, it's to support you. They're going to understand where you are, what are your needs, right? And based on that, they will give you a guide and the strategies you need to follow. Okay, make sure you do that. This is for you. Now, I hope this short video on money management was really helpful, but more than that, I really hope that you're going to take control of your finances by growing your wealth yourself, because you can do this. We've taught enough people to know that you can do this. Just take action.